I present to you the group presentation for our company, SoleSync. So without further ado, let's begin. We are presented in the slide here. We are group 4 from the tutorial class number 3, and here are the following presenters and their student ID. Presenting here is the presentation agenda, starting from the business background, how it operates. So it's about SoleSync number 1 up until number 10, which is the web accessibility strategy and the reports to assess that. So to introduce myself, my name is Zena. This is my full name, and this is my student ID written up here. And I'll be talking about the background of SoleSync and the outline strategy mapping, along with the organization's data strategy. So here is what our business is about. As mentioned in our website, we're all about crafting customized running shoes fit for every sole. We are dedicated to provide tailor-made footwear through a user-friendly platform, incorporating innovative 3D visualization and streamlined order processing. We aim to reach a wide network of ages and expertise. Here is the strategy mapping of the company SoleSync, along with the balanced scorecard covering its 4 elements from financial, customer, internal to learning and growth. To start off, the diagram starts from the bottom, that is learning and growth. That is the main driver, then build up all the way to financial, representing the outcome of set strategies. The goal here is to develop products that is based on 100% customer feedback. This increases the innovation in design materials by 5 times, achieve 90% customer satisfaction score to generate 20% annual profit each year with custom products through target marketing. Now,
welcome everyone, I'm Palak and I will be covering 3 strategic frameworks today. So I'm going to show how that these frameworks will elevate our customizable shoe website. So first is Porter's 5 forces, and I will tell you how it helps us to understand and navigate competitive pressures. Next I'm going to talk about value chain model, how it optimizes our operations so that we can deliver the value efficiently. And at the last I'm going to talk about resource-based view, how it leverages our unique IT assets and helps us to gain a sustainable advantage. And at last, by combining all of these approaches, I'm gonna show you and discuss with you that how we're gonna be poised to stand out in the market, offering a unique customer experience and driving a long-term growth. I start with what is 5 forces and how can we use that to strengthen our position in the customizable shoe market. So first, it's threat of new entrants. We can address this by using 3D visualization for shoe customization, creating a high entry barrier due to the investment required in similar technology. And not every replicant can just copy such high investments. And next, I'm going to talk about reducing buyer power through data-driven customization options that boost customer satisfaction and loyalty, making them less likely to switch to other competitors. Next, I'm going to talk about how do we manage supply power by integrating real-time supply chain data, giving us a greater control and reducing reliance on single suppliers. And having a good relationships with the suppliers, it can help us to negotiate on the better terms too. Fourth, I'm going to talk about how to counter the threat of substitutes. So machine learning allows us to adapt designs based on current trends, keeping our product lineup relevant and appealing. Lastly, with industry rivalry, we can foster a community in our platform where customers can share the designs, building loyalty and differentiating our brand from traditional shoe retailers. So in the value chain model, we can talk about both primary and support activities. For primary activities, I'm going to start with inbound logistics. In that, we can use cloud-based inventory management to streamline materials for customer orders. And in operations, we can employ AI-driven automation to seamlessly link customer orders to production lines. And for marketing and sales, our CRM system enables personalized marketing campaigns that will help us to reach niche markets. At the last, I'm going to talk about after sales service. That's really important, I think, from my point of view, because I don't buy a product if it doesn't have a good service, if I'm buying something expensive, because if it has problem in the future, who's gonna see that? So we will basically use AI chatbots for quick personalized customer support and customizations, like, yeah. And next, I'm going to talk about support activities. Though it is named as support activities, it's equally important as primary activities. So firm infrastructure through we can leverage firm infrastructure through a cloud ERP system to integrate inventory and finance management smoothly. For human resources, an online training platform ensures our team is skilled in customization tools and customer service. Technology development relies on advanced tools like AI for design, 3D for printing, while procurement uses data analytics to forecast demand, enabling efficient material sources. So together, these activities provide a streamlined customer-centered experience in custom shoe production. Finally, let's talk about the resource-based view, focusing on our unique resources and capabilities that give us a sustainable competitive advantage. This is the whole table, as you can see on the slide. Told about every capabilities and every resource and its enablers. So in short, basically, I just want to say that our unique IT resources center on the customization platform. It integrates both front-end user experience and back-end order processing, allowing us to deliver highly personalized products at scale. Our capabilities include the ability to process large amounts of data with AI and machine learning. These systems not only support customization, but it will also help us to analyze market trends, helping us continuously tailor our offerings to meet customer needs. In terms of sustainability, our constant upgrading of IT infrastructure will keep us ahead of our competitors. By focusing on cutting edge tech like data analytics and machine learning, we will maintain an unmatched level of personalization and relevancy in our products, giving customer a one-of-a-kind experience they can't get anywhere else. So then I just want to end with like this approach basically highlights how each framework strategically supports our website and giving us a competitive edge. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lisa, and today I'm excited to walk you through the core business processes that are critical to our business operation. We have the customization process, the payment process, the order management process, customer feedback process, and the return process. I will also analyze the business IT alignment and specifically how we utilize Archimate model to align our IT infrastructure to support our business goals. We structured the business processes to meet customer needs efficiently and seamlessly. We start with the customization process. When a customer accesses our customization tool, they can select a shoe model and then apply personalized features. They are then able to preview the unique design before confirming and adding it to their cart. After a final review, the customer proceeds to the payment. This process is a customer focus, providing an engaging, interactive experience that builds brand loyalty and allows our customer to feel a sense of ownership in product creation. The next process is the payment process. Once the order is reviewed, the customer enters their payment details. We then validate the information, send the payment request, and process it securely. The system confirms the payment and sends a notification to the customer for reassurance. The next process is the order management process. After receiving an order notification, the inventory is updated and the production process begins. Following a quality control check, the product is packaged, a shipping label is generated, and a notification is sent to the customer. This ensures that the customer always stays informed at every step of the process, building trust. The next process is the customer feedback process. Feedback is critical for continuous improvement. After a purchase, we send a feedback form, collect and review responses, especially any negative feedback. We log it for future reference as well. When necessary, we create a specific action to follow up any concerns to make sure that all customer needs are addressed. This process allows us to actively listen to our customers, redefine our offering, and enhance customer satisfaction over time. The final process is the return process. In a case that a customer is dissatisfied, we can initiate a return request by providing once a reason is provided. Upon approval, a return label is generated and the item is shipped back to us. Once received, we process the refund and update the inventory. This process ensures we remain responsive and flexible to customer concerns, which is essential in retaining customer trust and satisfaction. We have created a swim lane diagram for the payment process. Here we can visualize each role's responsibility within the payment system, from the customer to the finance team to the IT infrastructure. This visualization aids in identifying inefficiencies and ensuring each step is monitored and protected. The business IT alignment is vital to effectively implement these processes. Using the Archimate model, we map out our IT systems to reflect and support our business functions. This alignment ensures that our technology infrastructure underpins every business process, from customization to returns. The Archimate frameworks lets us visualize how each process interacts with our IT components, like the customization tool, payment gateway, inventory system, and CRM database. The structure is not only improves in efficiency, but ensures that our systems are adaptable, supporting both current and future business needs. Therefore, these processes and the alignment of our IT systems play a pivotal part in providing a seamless, satisfying experience for our customers. With a clear framework and effective alignment, we're prepared to deliver a high-quality, personalized service effectively and responsively.
Now, on to data strategy. This figure here represents the data ecosystem of SoleSync, outlining how information is going to be utilized in the organization between staff and customers, all while adhering to set policies, operations, stewardship, and standards. For instance, external data represents the marketing trends derived from consumer data, and consumer data would consist of purchase patterns and feedback, ensuring that it is relevant and up to date with the organization's platform. Then we get to the legal aspect of it, that is data custody, like encryption and access control, using MFA, that stands for multi-factor authentication, with abidance to GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, that includes regular access review for data retrieval purposes, so for archival policies for us to manage the storage costs. And that's pretty much it for me.
Hi everyone, my name is Darlin Putra, and today I'll be talking about SoleSync's website strategy and web accessibility report. So going in depth with SoleSync's website strategy, the SoleSync website aims to provide a straightforward, user-friendly platform where runners can customize their shoes to maximize comfort and performance. The customers will be able to easily visualize their unique designs and smoothly proceed from customization to checkout. Our target audience is runners from all experience levels, from beginners to competitive athletes who appreciate a personalized fit in their footwear. Additionally, the website will appeal to fitness enthusiasts who prioritize comfort in their gear. The site will have an easy-to-use and visually appealing interface that guides users through the customization process step by step. Each page will be fully optimized for both desktop and mobile, ensuring accessibility is for all users. Simplicity and clarity in the design will help users navigate effortlessly from customization to selection and checkout. SoleSync will be hosted on a secure, reliable platform that supports e-commerce features, integrated payments options including PayPal, credit cards, and Apple Pay will provide users with a safe and convenient checkout experience. Now we will move on to the web accessibility reports. In this first web accessibility report, the website was checked using the Easy Check template that was given in class. This is a summary of the Web Accessibility Evaluation for the SoleSync website, which aims to ensure users of all abilities have an inclusive experience. First, the page titles. Titles across the sites are both descriptive and unique, which is great for user orientation. For the image and text, we have found a major issue in a total of 16 errors, mainly due to missing or empty form labels. As this is essential for screen readers, so it's an area that we are going to improve in. The website allows for text resizing without any overlap or cut-off issues, making it more flexible for users with visual impairments. There are no contrast issues that were identified, meaning text visibility is high for all users. Unfortunately, not all links are accessible by keyboard alone, which impacts users who rely on keyboard navigation. So moving on to the lost accessibility report of the automated testing. The two tools that were used were the A-Checker and the W3C WAI report tool that run checks for WCAG levels A and AA standards. So here is what we have found. There are no known problems identified across both levels, which is a very positive sign. However, there are some issues that were found. For perceivable, we have a total of 17 issues, primarily around content clarity. For operable, we have a total of 23 issues, which includes navigation and usability functions. For understandable, we have a total of 25 issues, covering areas like instructions and feedbacks. And the last one, the robust, we have a total of 4 issues, which relates to compatibility with assistive technologies. Thank you so much for listening to our SoleSync website presentation.